looking for it! The speed of the soul condensation is even faster than I thought. Huh? Now, this rare ore is all mine. Done. Have a taste.
You're amazing, boss. You came up with a new dish so fast. That's insane.
This wok, made of sunstone and that ore, not only triples my cooking speed, but it actually yields 50% more from a single steak. If I use this right, and borrow the church's name to get this wok noticed, I'd be rich!
Boss, are you okay?